Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm out here in the shop just putting together a real quick video to say hey, show you guys what I'm doing. Hopefully this week we can get into doing some chainsaw carving as I'm wrapping up previous orders. So hopefully we'll be able to run some chainsaws really soon. Here's this big table I've been working on for like ever. I just put the final finish coat on there, clear coat, so that's done. These are the hickory legs. These are all set. As far as fitting, I got to get them cut to length and that'll be all set. That's a quick job. But I've been working on these plaques. Had to make 8 of these. All hickory sticks, diamonds, hand painted. Right? The sticks are fitted all the way around the diamonds. Intricate stuff. Took forever to do. Those are all done. They have to get attached to the sides of the table, but I didn't want to do that until the clear coat was all done. So that's all done. It's drying. Hopefully tomorrow I can get those pieces on the side done and then get the legs caught and get those on as well. But I want to thank you guys for sticking around. There's been a lot of changes with the channel, a lot of changes in my life, I should say, you know, making my business and YouTube a full-time, but I realize it doesn't show on the end of YouTube, you know, with the videos I'd hoped to be putting out for you guys. It will though soon. It'll come together soon, guys. We'll have some more videos coming together and things like that, but you know, I have to keep up with what customers have already put in and get caught up, and just honestly trying to get things done a little bit quicker than I had planned. That way there I can get into carving and doing some pieces that I want to do for some stores and things like that. We're gonna have some really big projects I think coming down the line, as in furniture wise. We're going to be doing some carving. You know, I've been telling you guys more tutorials and things like that. So if there's a video you want to see, maybe you just want to see me carve something, comment below. Let me know if you want a tutorial on something we can look forward to, something I'll do for you guys in the future. Comment below. Let me know. And if this is your first time seeing my channel, checking it out, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Well, even if you've been here before, give me a thumbs up, guys. But if you're not already, hit subscribe. I really do appreciate it, you guys. It means a lot, and it helps this channel grow, believe it or not. Giving me a thumbs up and hitting subscribe, it does a lot more than you guys would think. So I know this video is shaky. They're not all like this if this is your first time stopping by, but I'm holding my phone. I don't have the GoPros out here. I didn't even film this whole project. I'm just trying to get it done. Yes, we can move on to the next thing. So I've had the wood stove going all day. We just had like an ice storm today. Got about a 1/4 inch of ice with all the rain and everything, with it freezing up. That's been kind of crazy. Just got done with the sidewalks and everything. Got a couple sick people in the house. We've been dealing with that. Yeah, you know, the whole real deal thing. Don't want to get into too many details because I'll probably get demonetized, but they're doing good. All's good there. Everybody's doing well. Me and a couple other people in the house have been nice and healthy, so hopefully it stays that way. Hope you guys are all being healthy as well, taking your vitamins, eating good food, staying on the up and up. I wish you guys all the best. Hope you guys have a great week coming up. Be sure to keep an eye on the channel though, as I'll try to keep posting on stories as I work on projects. We'll do some video shorts if I can't get full-length videos out for you guys, okay? Because honestly, I still want to interact. I want to touch base and be in contact with all of you. And yeah, sometimes that's the best way to just do it. So like I said, guys, let me know, what do you want to see for carving? So once I get going, I got a list. I can put it on the board and we can kind of stick to it. Tutorial, or what do you want to just see me try, you know? Let me know. Comment below, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome week though. Hope your weekend was great, and I will see you guys later. Bye.